Hey YouTube, it's your girl Kai Journey coming to you guys with another video, and this one is a video response to a meme. Yes, I'm doing a video response to a meme that I saw on Instagram because I was just so floored by this meme. Just explain to you guys what it is. Basically, it was a meme that showed a nice, thick, curvaceous girl, and she had locks. And basically what it said was that no matter how gorgeous or how beautiful or how hot or sexy a girl is, no guy wants a girl with nappy hair. Really got me upset. And where I saw the actual meme was on a person's page that was defending it, that was speaking against it. So I actually don't know the source of who made the negative meme. But the person was basically defending it and basically blasting the person that made the meme. That is just utter bull crap. If I've ever heard bull crap, that's just bull. I have locks, and I've had locks for 5 years. I've had my hair permed, I've had my hair locked. I never really went through the loose natural phase, honestly. But I can tell you, whether your hair is permed, whether it is loose natural, whether it is locked, braided, full locked, colored, shaved, bald to the scalp, your sexiness is defined by your confidence. That is it. Point blank simple. It doesn't matter. Your hair could be nappy. You could have free-formed matted locks. But your confidence can draw men to you, can draw a woman to you, can draw anyone to you. This is basically for anyone that saw this meme, and anyone out there that thinks that because if they get locks, they won't be found attractive anymore. Lies, the devil. Not to big up myself, but compliments galore. I exude this confidence that no matter who it is, I get compliments. No matter who I am around, I am just so confident in myself that sexiness just follows right behind. Me and sexiness just go hand in hand. Nobody can tell me nothing. Yes, I'm married, so I have to, tone it down a little bit sometimes. But the point of this video is, your sexiness has nothing to do with your hair, basically. It's just how you rock your confidence. And to be honest, I was watching this video by PR Charles, another YouTuber, wonderful, has long flowing sisterlocks, and she was basically asking, do you feel sexy with locks? I will link her video below. Wonderful video, great discussion. Do you feel sexy with locks? And I honestly can say I feel sexier, more appealing with locks than when I had my permed hair. But nothing against permed hair, because if that's you, that's you, as long as you're confident with it. But this is truly me. This is how I feel comfortable. So because I am more comfortable like this, I can just, I just exude that. So I feel more sexy or more appealing like this. And I haven't had any negative remarks by anyone from the opposite sex. I get so much compliments on my hair regarding men. They love it. They love what I style it. They just say they appreciate me just rocking my hair naturally. They appreciate the confidence that I show when I rock my hair. And plus, the good thing is, the compliments that I get now are different than when I got before. Like before in the past, before I had locks, I used to get yo ma, what up ma, yo, all. Don't come through with that. Now when I walk down the street, even if the guy is not trying to get with me, they just want to compliment me, what I hear now is queen, empress, yo, you're beautiful, natural sister, gorgeous, mother, queen, positive words like that. Not yo ma. No. So if you're watching this and you're scared to get locks or any kind of natural hair because you think that you won't be sexy, then no matter what you get in life, you're not going to be sexy. You have to know how to just be confident in you. This is just an exterior. This is just a show. But this through here, this inside of you, this smile, this genuine smile, the way my eyes are, the way I think, the way I walk, that can't change, and that is what is the most sexiest thing about me, with or without my locks. But honestly, I feel just more sexy with my locks because I am just naturally happier that way. So whoever made that meme, if you're watching this, is just probably jealous, sad to say. But thank you to that Instagram person that defended us. I appreciate it. And just rock your locks with confidence. Just live your life with confidence, all right? And just always, like I say in every video, enjoy your journey. I'm out.